You are watching Today in History Season 1.
May 16th.
This day in history is symbolic, and I am going to tell you why.
On May 16, 1739, the Battle of Vasai concludes as the Marathas defeat the Portuguese army. On May 16, 1842, the first major wagon train heading for the Pacific Northwest sets out on the Oregon Trail from Elm Grove, Missouri with 100 pioneers. On May 16, 1888, Nikola Tesla delivers a lecture describing the equipment which will allow efficient generation and use of alternating currents to transmit electric power over long distances. On May 16, 1891, the International Electrotechnical Exhibition opens in Frankfurt, Germany, and will feature the world's first long-distance transmission of high-power, three-phase electric current, the most common form today. On May 16, 1916, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland and the French Third Republic signed the secret wartime Sykes-Picot Agreement partitioning former Ottoman territories such as Iraq and Syria. On May 16, 1918, the Sedition Act is passed by the US Congress, making criticism of the government during wartime an imprisonable offense. It will be repealed less than 2 years later. On May 16, 1920, in Rome, Pope Benedict XV canonizes Joan of Arc. On May 16, 1929, in Hollywood, the first Academy Award ceremony takes place. On May 16, 1943, the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising ends. On May 16, 1951, the first regularly scheduled transatlantic flights begin between Idlewild Airport, now John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York City, and Heathrow Airport in London, operated by Al Israel Airlines. On May 16, 1959, the Triton Fountain in Valletta, Malta is turned on for the first time. On May 16, 1960, Theodore Maiman operates the first optical laser, a ruby laser, at Hughes Research Laboratories in Malibu, California. On May 16, 1966, the Communist Party of China issues the May 16 notice marking the beginning of the Cultural Revolution. On May 16, 1969, Venera 5, a Soviet space probe, lands on Venus. On May 16, 1974, Josip Broz Tito is elected President for life of Yugoslavia. On May 16, 1988, a report by the Surgeon General of United States, C. Everett Koop, states that the addictive properties of nicotine are similar to those of heroin and cocaine. On May 16, 1988, Queen Elizabeth II of the United Kingdom addresses a joint session of the United States Congress. She is the first British monarch to address the US Congress. On May 16, 1997, Mobutu Sese Seko, the president of Zaire, flees the country. On May 16, 2005, Kuwait permits women's suffrage in a 35/23 National Assembly vote. On May 16, 2011, STS-134 ISS Assembly Flight ULF-6 launched from Kennedy Space Center on the 25th and final flight for Space Shuttle Endeavour.
So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.